Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you what I got for Christmas haul. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I didn't get much. I did not get much because this year I have not been in the Christmas spirits. I don't know what it was, but I just haven't been feeling it. Okay, so basically everything that I got, I already opened it up before Christmas. So yeah, so I didn't really have much to open up on Christmas. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this. I got me a new iPhone, and I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, in white. It's something different, you know. I never had a white iPhone. Kind of missed the gold a little bit, just a little bit, but never had a white iPhone, and I'm loving it. Okay, it's so, let me zoom in. It is so pretty, and I got a clear case. It's like silver on the sides, silver on the sides. Yeah, the 3 cameras. I don't know what these two, I guess that's flash, you know, how that stuff. I don't know. But yeah, I got the 256 gigabyte. So yeah, one of my gifts. Okay, distraction. Okay, the next thing that I got was from my mom and my dad. I think they both got this for me, I don't know. But they got me a Michael Kors bag. It was a regular $178, okay? So pretty. I don't have any green bags like this. And the inside, you know, very cute with the green strap. Okay, so yeah, Michael Kors bag, love it. And you know what's crazy? It's been like a whole kerfuffle. It's been a whole kerfuffle on Twitter about Michael Kors, whether it's a luxury brand or not. Baby, it's not cheap. Okay, it shouldn't matter. Michael Kors has always been a luxury brand, so now people are just like so focused on Gucci, Louis Vuitton, all that stuff, and they're forgetting about where they came from. Okay, I'm always be happy to get a Louis Vuitton, not Louis Vuitton, I'll always be happy to get a Michael Kors. Like, I rock this one Michael Kors bag. Let me show you. I rock this one Michael Kors bag all the time. Like, it is so pretty. And look at it. It's MK. It has the pretty chain. It's like a little mini bag. You can hold it like this. It is so pretty. Like, I love this bag so much. I wear it all the time. And I got the matching wallet. Matching Michael Kors wallet to go with the bag. So it's so cute. Okay, I love it. I love it. So I don't know what people are talking about. Anyways, back on topic. The next thing that I got was these Ugg slippers. I think they're called Fluff, yes. And I got them in purple. See, they are so pretty. At first I was like, do I like these? Like, do I really like this color? Because they had red, but they didn't have my size. So I was like, should I get this or not? But I ended up getting it, and I love it because look how pretty the colors are. Like pink, the pinks, and they are so pretty. And it has the Ugg name, and at the bottom it's also like purple, so that's really cute. Yeah. And the last thing that I got was some Air Force Ones. Like, I've never had Air Force Ones. I've always wanted them. I've been trying to get them, but I just haven't went through with buying them. So I finally bought some from Nordstrom. They were $90. And yeah, they're really cute. Air Force Ones. I can wear it with a lot of stuff now. Okay, they're just a plain white sneaker I can wear with anything. Okay, so that is all. I would have got a PS5, okay, because you know I like to game. I like to play video games. I have a PS4, and I built my gaming computer. That was also like one of my Christmas presents. My gaming computer. I still haven't filmed the updated video on that because I don't know. I kind of just stopped, but I finished building my gaming computer. It is so pretty. You can probably hear it. It's like so colorful right now. Like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, what I got for Christmas. Oh snap, I forgot. I got this perfume, Daisy Bloom. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, you know I love perfume. My Bath and Body Works is cute, but perfume is even cuter. Okay, so I got this Daisy perfume. Very pretty bottle. Like, I'm trying to build up me a perfume collection. I have 4 so far, and I get one like every year. I need to start getting one every month, you know what I'm saying, because I'm that in love with perfume. By far, this one will always be my favorite perfume, which is the Coco Mademoiselle. I love that one so much. I got this one last Christmas, which is the Versace Bright Crystal. And I have Black Opium somewhere. Okay, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be filming more and more and more. Like, I gotta get I had 1,000 subscribers. I just need to get the freaking, what is it called? Watch time. There you go. I need to get the watch time. Yeah, I don't have that, and the watch time is literally, I might have to restart over because I haven't met the mark. So that sucks, but it is what it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. I have a candle business. Please go support my business. I've been making studio vlogs and all that stuff, so feel free to watch those if you want to see the process of how I make my candles and how I package orders and everything like that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And please subscribe and go to my website. Okay.
It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping way.